can we just yeah. Started off.
Tell me one more time, get low, get low, get low, get low, get low, get low. To the window, to the wall. Bucket naked, oh disrespected. Like this. Little Joan in the East Side boys here. Welcome to Idaho. Woo! Idaho. Yes, official. On the other side. Woo-hoo-hoo. Get low to the window, to the wall, to the wall. Wow. Whoa! Boop, 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 boop. Entering Bonville country. Brum dum dum, dum da dum da da dum. Brum dum dum, dum da dum da da dum. Brum dum dum, dum da dum da da dum. منك بزاف ولا نسيتي منك بزاف ولربي عليا شاهد Beautiful. We are now driving at Bridger-Teton National Forest on our way to Bonville Salt Flats in Utah. But there is something that I have to tell you before moving to the next episode. I'm going to explain what is going on while you are looking through my windshield while I'm driving my Mustang GT on Highway 89 in Wyoming near the Idaho border. Do you remember that I crashed my drone in Moab a few episodes ago? That drone is totaled and I cannot move on with this road trip without buying a new one. Our plan was to drive from Grand Teton National Park to Salt Lake City so I could go to Walmart or Best Buy to buy myself a new drone. I had to buy a new drone and it was a very hard decision to make. Should I buy the same drone or should I buy a newer model? And if I choose for a newer model, which one should I buy? Every day since the crash, when we returned back to our hotel, I checked out YouTube to compare the DJI drones with each other to make the right decision. After the crash, I was droneless for 5 days. Those 5 days were quite okay because we were at Yellowstone and Grand Teton National Park. It is forbidden to fly a drone in a national park anyways, so I didn't really care. But now, there is a big problem. I really need to buy the drone today. If I could choose only one day that I could use a drone during this road trip, it would be this day. So now you know how important it is for me to have it before this day runs out. But there is also a second problem. If I look at our schedule, I see that this day is the longest driving day of our road trip. We started early in the morning from Dubois in Wyoming, and we are planning to drive to Bonville Salt Flats in Utah. After our visit in Bonville Salt Flats, we still have to drive to Salina, where our next hotel is booked, which is a total drive of 720 miles or almost 1200 kilometers. That means that our driving time will be around 12 hours, without stopping, resting, eating, and of course, without searching for a store where I could buy myself a drone. That means that I really don't have any time left to go find a store and buy a drone because we have to reach Bonville Salt Flats before sunset to make crazy drone videos. But how are we supposed to make crazy drone videos without a drone? My stress level for today was high. It was intense because I knew that if I found a drone, I still had to unbox it, prepare it, charge the batteries, and find the right settings before flying it, and that also consumes a lot of time. There is a big chance that we won't make it to Bonville Salt Flats before sunset, and that would be a big disaster. While I was driving, I was searching for the nearest Best Buy or Walmart, and I found one in Logan, Utah, 80 miles north of Salt Lake City. I entered a Best Buy in Logan as soon as I could. They had the drone which I was looking for, but they ran out of extra batteries, or the so-called Fly More combo. A Fly More combo was a must because it comes with extra batteries and a car charger. Without a car charger, I still have nothing because I need to have a full battery. I asked the employee if the battery on this new drone would fit on my car charger, which was made for the older model. The employee told me that it was no problem and that I could use the new battery on my car charger. Something in my mind told me that the employee was lying or he was not sure about what he was saying. This brought me to a new dilemma. That means that if I buy the drone here, I would only have one battery, and that is by far not enough to make drone videos at Bonville Salt Flats. And there is also a big chance that this new battery won't fit my car charger because I did not believe the employee. I googled on my phone and I saw that there was also a Walmart in Logan, so I drove as fast as I could to see if they had the drone or the batteries. But this Walmart didn't have anything. Now I was in big trouble. The time was ticking and my stress level increased. What should I do? Go back to Best Buy and just buy the drone with one battery and take the risk that this battery won't fit my car charger? Or accept my loss for today? Well, it is better to have a drone with one battery and take a small risk than ending up with nothing. So I drove back to Best Buy in Logan, Utah. I asked the employee if he could look in the system to see which Best Buy in this area is still selling the Fly More combo with the extra batteries and car charger. He told me that the Best Buy in Ogden, 50 miles south of where we were, is still selling a Fly More combo. Now there is another dilemma and the stress level increased again. Should I buy the drone here in Logan and go to Ogden for the batteries? Or should I buy the drone and Fly More combo in Ogden? Well, there is still a chance that if I arrive at Best Buy in Ogden that there are no drones and no batteries, and then I will end up with nothing again. So I bought the drone in Logan, stepped in my Mustang and raced to Ogden. When we arrived in Ogden, there was just one Fly More combo left. Oh my god, right on time. I bought the Fly More combo, which gave me 2 extra batteries and a car charger. I directly unboxed the drone and tried to install everything at the car park. After unboxing the drone, I found out that the new battery did not fit in my older car charger. So the employee in Logan gave me false information and I already had that feeling. So I was very lucky that I found the Fly More combo here in Ogden, which included the newer car charger. If there was no Fly More combo left, I would have ended up with a new drone, but with a dead battery. We then drove to Applebee's as fast as we could because we haven't eaten yet for a few hours. I left the batteries charging in my car while we were eating at Applebee's. After eating, we still had to drive for at least 2 hours before arriving at Bonville Salt Flats. Are we going to make it to Bonville Salt Flats before sunset?
Check it out on the next episode.